Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about global variables. A variable declared outside of a function has a global scope and can only be accessed outside a function. Let's create a new file, global.php. And let's create two variables, x 10 and y 11, and then the result x plus y. And let's create a function test function, and we will use this result like this $globals and the result, and let's assign a value to this variable 100. First we will see the value of result, so echo result and the value, and here is the result 21. But as soon we call this function test function, let's copy this line and call this function. The previous result was 21 and the new result is 100 because and there are various global variables like this server, we can get various values like this server software, or the request method, or the request time, or the script file name. So here is the complete path with file name. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.